My motivation to do cancer research is to be a part of someone's treatment, knowing that you've contributed to such a momentous change in someone's life.
My time at the BCI put the foundations for the career I have today. Not only to apply and get in sort of a very prestigious PhD program, it also gave me the foundation to build my own lab.
Queen Mary has a great advantage. Being connected to Barts Hospital is one of the most respected oncology hospitals, and that gave me a good foundation to move on with my clinical trials career.
The approach to teaching master's students at Queen Mary, and in particular at Barts Cancer Institute, is to take our students on the journey from fundamental cancer biology right through to the very latest in targeted therapies, precision medicine.
We're part of Queen Mary University of London, a Russell Group university that's at the forefront of both research and providing high-quality education. As students at the Barts Cancer Institute, you will have exposure to world-leading researchers and with clinicians who are active in clinical research.
I worked with scientists in the BCI who are working at the cutting edge of cancer research. We were taught about immunology and precision medicine, and it was very exciting to know about all of these new publications and the new research that's going on.
This is a great place for training because it incorporates not just the theory, but it's about the practice. It's about really learning about the science and doing the science, learning about the clinical challenges and understanding how to deal with those clinical challenges.
Being able to do a lab project, being assigned a supervisor and working with their team, they've really helped me think differently about my own lab project and coming up with questions that I wouldn't have thought of. And it's really helped hone into my critical thinking skills.
I studied my master's at the BCI in 2012, and now I'm actually running my own independent lab. What stood out was the fact that they placed emphasis on the translational research, the aspect of translating what we find in the lab to the clinic and to the patients. I got to experience, firsthand what it's like to actually run the experiments, yourself, troubleshooting. That is something that really drew me to the program, and it's something that I apply to this day in my own lab.
Being an inclusive and diverse community, it means that we open the doors of opportunity for people to build a career in cancer research, regardless of their backgrounds.
We have a fantastic diversity of student body, more than 170 different nationalities on campus. That builds for a really rich experience when you're here and a really strong alumni network when you've graduated.
I was privileged to connect to people here at BCI that they came from different parts of the world. So I am connected to a medical writer in Singapore and a postdoc in Boston and a data manager in Romania.
For more than a decade now, we've been delivering online education. We have a dedicated digital team who help us to ensure our online students get the very best experience they can. It's our job here at Queen Mary to inspire the next generation of researchers. We give them the tools so that no matter what route they want to take, they can really make a difference.
If you want to be challenged and you want to have the support to be challenged, then the BCI is the place for you.